Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So today I am going to be unboxing this portable power supply from a company called AIVOLT. And I basically bought this so that I could hook up. I bought a George Foreman electric grill, outdoor electric grill, but there's no power source at my apartment here. So I'm hoping that this will do the trick. I noticed that I think it has a solar capability as well as a rechargeable capability. So ideal for outdoors, camping, that sort of thing. So yeah, so if you're curious in terms of what it looks like, that's the main focus of this video for me today. I'm just gonna take it out of the box and get a look. So it looks like we already have a box within a box. The outer packaging, basically, it's no frills packaging on the outside. It does mention that, I believe it's 120, so it's 300 watt, so power max, 120 volts, 300 watts of power, and it's rated for 250 watts of power, which I think will be perfect for the George Foreman grill. So I'm also gonna be doing an unboxing of that very soon, probably in the next couple of days. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like, please subscribe to my channel. I typically do mostly stuff about smart home, but I do all manner of tech and then also some products for home and so forth. So yeah, so if you're into that sort of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel. So already I'm loving the look of it. It looks very cool. It's smaller than I thought it would be. And I think that probably, hopefully that'll be the main benefit of this video for you guys. There is a little, it looks like there's a little tag thing that we need to open. So as I said, 300 maximum watts. It's rated for 250 watts. Not really sure what that means. I'm assuming that if you have something that needs 300 watts of power, it will also work. It has USB, input, output, and input, and so forth. DC power, AC. I mean, this thing is just. It looks like a beast in terms of what what you would need for power outdoors. And for my case, I'm thinking ideally it would be for the George Foreman grill outside, but then also it's just nice to have a power source outside on the deck here, which I do not have currently. So pretty cool. So yeah, so I'm just cutting that little piece of tape away. So do not return to store, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so yeah, so customer protections, they're basically telling you they don't want you to return it, but obviously you can return it if this doesn't meet your needs. I think it's going to do just great for what I need it for, which is the George Foreman grill. So documentation right on the top here, looks solid, and it doesn't have that little microscopic type. It actually looks really, really cool. So what's inside the box? So a portable power station, the adapter, power cable, car charger cable, which is useful for camping, obviously, and then this user manual. So not a lot in terms of hardware. Basically it seems to be plug and play, which is very, very cool. I'm not really sure what the deal is in terms of how long this is going to take to charge. I'm going to do a separate video review of this after I get it going. But here's potentially all of the specs you could ever need. There's also a lot of information over on Amazon's product page. I'll actually leave a link down in the description to this. It'll be an Amazon affiliate link, so if you use it, all proceeds go to support the channel, and I appreciate it. So yeah, so documentation looks solid, which I really like and appreciate. Very cool. Okay, so without further ado, let's take this puppy out of the box. Oh, sorry, pardon the jigginess there. I just hit the tripod. And it's actually, I thought this was going to be much heavier. It's much lighter than I thought. Easy for this weak guy to pick up and take it out of the bag. I love the orange color. Definitely easy to spot. This is a nice looking charger. There we go. So 300L lithium power station. Very cool. I'll just bring it up here so you guys can see. I need to put my readers on to be able to see what this says here. Pretty sad, I know. So 7800 mAh battery, which is a monster. Solar chargeable, very cool. I'm gonna stick this out in the sun ASAP if that's how it works. 3% THD pure sine wave, no idea what that means. If you know, leave a comment down below so we can let others know. And then there's the 300 watt output, which is really, I think what's important. And then here are all the controls here. So we've got DC power, AC power, USB output. There's a battery meter there, which is very cool. So it'll let you know how much charge you have left. And then we have plenty of USB outputs, which is, awesome to be able to charge the phone. At the same time, I'll be able to put my phone on the charger while I'm grilling out. And I'll also be able to recharge my portable Bluetooth speaker so I can listen to tunes. And then, so here's the 12 volt multifunction port for the car, presumably cigarette lighter and so forth. So very, very cool. And then I assume that the AC connector is actually there as well on the other side. So here's for your solar input. So I guess you need to buy a separate solar panel for this if you want to use that as an option. I think that's right. I'll leave some more information in the description in terms of that. And then here's oh wow, it has a nice light on the back as well. And there's the car adapter there. So very, very cool. I don't know a lot about these things, so sorry, I apologize for that. But if you wanted to get a look at it, as I had said, this is it has me pretty happy. So anyhow, so that's what the AIVOLT 300 watt lithium power source looks like. And yeah, if you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't just mind give me a quick thumbs up, I appreciate it. Helps out the channel a lot. And please subscribe for a fun take on all things tech. And I hope to see you in the next video. Appreciate all of you. Cheers.